Hey guys, it's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. This is a very new video for me because it's kind of like my first bullet journal related video. So if you're new here, my name is Tiara and I do videos on a lot of things, and I do like lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and I've been recently dabbling into bullet journaling. So in today's video, I thought I'd do an unboxing of my new notebook from Notebook Therapy, and I thought I'd also do like a comparison with the current dotted journal that I have from TYPO, and I just wanted to highlight the differences between the two. So let's get started. So I got this in the mail yesterday. I live in Singapore and it took about 14 days for it to arrive, and it was put inside my mailbox. Alongside the notebook, I also got the Tsuki alphabet stamps. So I'm pretty excited to try this, but I'll show you guys this later. So when you purchase the notebook, you will find it in this box. It's so pretty. Yeah, it's great as a gift, I feel, and it's just so pretty. Oh yeah, and by the way guys, the shipping is actually free internationally, so no matter where you are in the world, you will definitely not have any issues with shipping fees if you buy from Notebook Therapy. Alright, so I'm just gonna open it up, and when you open the box up, you will find there's a card that they put in here, and there's tissue paper for you to open up. So I got the Tsuki Fuji-San bullet journal, and this is in the original size. So I made a mistake, like I didn't know that there were different sizes and I wasn't really familiar with the sizes, so I got the original size. But it's okay, I don't mind trying out this size and maybe it might be better for me. Alright, so this is how the notebook looks like. It has a very nice Fuji-San image here. I really resonated with this because I love Japan and it's one of my favorite countries that I've been to, and I really miss it, so I thought it would be apt for me to get it in this design. I got it in like this very nice taupe kind of color, like a beige taupe kind of color, and when you open it up, yeah, this is how it looks like, and it's the dotted journal. It's 160 GSM paper, which means that it's thicker, and you know, there's no bleeding or anything when you use your markers. The dots are also incredibly it's not super dark, but it's like dark enough for you to look at it. And what I like about it is that it lays flat on your desk, so you know, it's easy for you to like draw. It comes with like the markers, or rather the ribbon, and it also comes with a strap for you to wrap around your notebook, just like this. And they also came together with like a sneaky free gift, and it came in a form of a little Christmas tree paper clip. Nice. It feels so luxurious and very well made. I can't wait to start working on this. And then, like I said, I also got the alphabet stamps. Unfortunately, I don't have a stamp pad just yet, so I need to go and buy them really soon. This is so cute. I can't wait to use this for probably like my February spread, so, or maybe like my March, because I don't know if I can have enough time to do this, to feature this in my February. Okay, I have put the two notebooks side by side. So this is the one by Notebook Therapy, and this is the current one that I'm using from TYPO. As you can see, I am very used to using, actually, like, I like this size, but I bought the original size because I wasn't I didn't know at that time. But basically this is the A5 size and this is the Tsuki original size, so it's slightly smaller than this. Why I decided to try out the Notebook Therapy notebook is because the issue I have with the TYPO one, this is retails in Singapore for about 18 Singapore dollars, and so far it has been working really well for me, especially being a newbie at bullet journaling. But I'll show you guys how this notebook looks like. So I started bullet journaling in November of 2020. So here's like my first month of bullet journaling. I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I was very nervous about it. But yeah, I just had fun with it. I didn't have much issues with this journal. I thought that it was a great notebook to start with, that it's not super expensive and it was very easy on the pocket. But the issue I had with it is, or rather the issue that I have with it is that the dot spacings are a little bit odd, so it was very hard for me to do my grid line spacings. Like I had to do a lot of like in-betweeners, and sometimes it's not really that accurate, if you can tell. So hopefully with the notebook therapy notebook, it's more easy for me to do my grid spacing cheat sheet. December I did like a dinosaur theme, and yeah, so this from here you can actually see that the paper on this notebook, in this TYPO notebook, the other issue that I have with it is that it bleeds. So whatever I color with my Crayola super tip markers, it will bleed through. It's not that bad, but like when you flip, like you see I have a lot of like coloring here, like you can actually see on my calendar page. So I mean, it's not a deal breaker, but if possible I wouldn't want to I don't want to see any bleeding, right? So this is my January spread, and as you can see I used a lot of black markers and there was this bleeding and it just doesn't look very nice. So yeah, I don't know whether you can see, but the dots are just not lining up. Like this part, yeah, like the dots on here and here, they are not at the same level, so I had to eyeball drawing my boxes on this side. So that was something that I wasn't really that intrigued by with regards to this notebook. Alright guys, so that's the end of my little unboxing from my haul from Notebook Therapy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave all of the links to the products that I purchased in the description below. I also hope that you found this video helpful, because after I kind of did a short comparison between the new bullet journal that I got from Notebook Therapy versus the one that I've been using from TYPO, I hope that, you know, it gives a little bit of idea as to the pros and cons of the TYPO notebook. I think it's still a good notebook for starters, but yeah, there are a little bit of flaws that I noticed in it. That's why I decided to pay a little bit more and invest in a better notebook like from Notebook Therapy. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Feel free to follow me on Instagram, where I share a lot more over there on IG stories. And like I said, I do other content as well: makeup, beauty, fashion, and hijab styling, and just you know, feel good content in general, content that is useful. Also, I don't know when this video is coming up, but I'm actually conducting my very first online workshop, and it's about introduction to bullet journaling. If this video goes up before the bullet journal workshop, I'll put the link in the description box below. If it doesn't, you can still go to www.thetcollective.com/bujo, I think, and you'll be able to download the recording of my workshop at just 10 Singapore dollars. So everything will be in the description box below. Don't worry, I got you. And yeah, I hope to see you guys soon in my next video, whichever video that may be. Bye!